There's the tap water. That tastes bad.
Then try seltzer. It's good, it's good.
Seltzer, you say? What in the seltzer?
Seltzer, let's look at the ingredients. Carbonated water.
Really?
Yes. Now, hey, buddy, do you know what flavors are in seltzer?
No.
Oh, they come in original. They come in a lemon lime, a raspberry, mandarin orange. Excuse me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Pardon.
Ooh!
And it also...
Ooh! Ooh! Go ahead.
Someone watched too much Rachel.
See, that's what happened when you
Someone
eat
watched too much Rachel Rao.
Rachel Raw. Too much tap from the crab.
It also come in cherry. No, cherry not good. Don't take. Don't
Cherry
try.
give me gas.
She drank cherry. And then Rachel Rao.
Really, Rachel Raw?
Oh, she makes that curry like fantasticamo.
Like $50 a day?
50 turns. Like I said before, this seltzer
Tasty journeys.
it tasty Arab. It's
Oh.
sodium free, no calorie for those health watchers, and they also have zero carbs.
Oh, wait. Can I check something, please?
Sure, she's checking very good. She wants to find those hidden calories.
There are no calories. 0 calories. I cannot see at the moment. Hold on. I'm back. I see that. I know there's 0 calories.
It's good, ain't it? I think it's very good.
Muy bueno.
I like it.
Excuse me. You keep telling them about this answer. I got to go pray to the moon.
And this is very...
Oh, God bless.
I'm glad you're done with that.
I'm back.
She's back from the new world. Now, you reincarnated, Father? I'm no longer... I'm not your father.
I'm not your father. I'm your grandmaster. Get it straight, Babaloo.
Sorry, babushka.
It's alright. God bless you and all. God bless. God bless.
God bless.
Oh,
Buy seltzer today!
no more crap tap.